My next topic is snow rule. This is the rule which tells about the magnetic field. Whenever current passes through a wire, magnetic field is produced near it. And if we place a compass needle near a wire, then it gets deflected. So this rule tell about the direction of deflection. So according to this rule, if current flows in a wire from south to north, snow means south to north, then compass needle placed near the wire gets deflected towards west direction. So snow rule means if current flows from south to north, then needle get deflected towards west direction. Why it get deflected? Due to the magnetic field produced near the wire, because we are passing current through a wire. So snow rule is if current flows from south to north, then deflection is in west direction, and if current flows from north to south, now we are reversing this rule. If current flows from north to south, then deflection is in east direction. Now I am discussing activity number 13.4. In this activity, we have taken a copper wire, key, battery and a compass needle, and we are connecting all these in series except compass needle, as you can see in the figure. Here in the figure, I have connected here a battery, key and a wire. As you can see in figure A, current is flowing from positive to negative, that is from north to south. And in second figure, it is flowing from south to north. And we are placing a compass needle parallel and near to the wire. So compass needle is placed near the wire. Now put the plug in the key. What we will observe? We will observe the deflection in the needle. And we will observe that if current flows from north to south, then needle gets deflected in east direction. Now in second figure, we have replaced the cell connection. Now current in this figure is flowing from north to south direction, not south to north. Now observe the change in deflection of the needle. It gets deflected towards west. So from both the figure, we can see the direction of magnetic field produced by current is also reversed. That is, if we are changing the direction of current, then direction of magnetic field produced also changes. That is, if current flows from north to south, then needle gets deflected towards east direction, and if current flows from south to north, then needle gets deflected towards west direction.